Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just can't stop. This E-cut by monstermacro.com is really cool, and I keep finding more reasons you could use it for, and here's one of them. These rectangles are 5 inches by 12.83, and let's say you've done them, a whole page of them, and they're all 5 inches by 12.83. Well, you can, inside of Monster Macro or Macro Monster, you can update the size and make it the 12 by 5 just by updating the size. Now my rectangles are 12 by 5, and that's what I wanted. Same thing, you could select them all and you could make them 10 and update the size, and now all your shapes are 10 inches. So that's set size. You can update only the width or the height or have the ratio locked and specify the size. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.